Hey guys, how's it going? How to see who unfollowed you on Instagram. So there's two methods to pull this off. One of them is go ahead and click on your profile icon at the below right corner, click the three bars at the top right, and from there just go ahead to the account center or meta, and just go ahead to your information and permissions. And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to download your information, right? And basically what you're gonna do, download or transfer information, select the account and hit next, and basically select the type of information that you want to get from this account. And I'm gonna just scroll a little bit down. Let me just click right here, show more, basically. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just start looking for followers or something like that, right? So basically just scroll a little bit down, scroll a little bit down, scroll a little bit down, scroll a little bit down until you find the followers. Sorry, I just selected the Facebook account. I should choose the Instagram account, right? So basically just go ahead to the some of the information basically and just scroll a little bit down, scroll a little bit down until you find the followers, right? And basically after you find it, just go ahead and choose it, right? And if you didn't find the followers section, just go ahead and just click other activities, right? So you can just select messages and everything, and afterwards what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead here. I'm gonna just click followers and following, right? So what you're gonna do next, just go ahead and hit next, right? You basically download to your device. Basically after you create files, you're gonna get get your file ready. You're gonna get your approval from Instagram to have access to those files in 4 days. Basically you're gonna find it on your files onto your iPhone, right? And you're gonna be able to see the followers and following, basically, right? You're gonna see the usernames and everything. Now the second method is to go ahead to compare to list website, right? Basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna copy the followers and the following names onto your compare to list, right? Or you can just choose the file, which is PDF basically, and afterwards you're gonna just click compare the list, and you're gonna be able to see the people who unfollowed you onto your Instagram, and basically you're gonna get the usernames of people who actually unfollowed you, basically, right? Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.